Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to increase email send cancellation period on Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To increase email send cancellation period in Gmail, go to your Gmail account. Click on gear icon called settings on the upper right corner. Now click on see all settings. In settings, general tab is selected. Now you will find here undo send and send cancellation period. By default, the cancellation period is 5 seconds. I am going to increase it. Click on drop down and I am going to increase send cancellation period to 30 seconds. Now scroll down, click on save change. Now reloading Gmail. Now I am going to check compose mail. I am going to type the email address, subject and mail. Now click on send. Look, this is the undo and now its period is 30 seconds. Within the 30 seconds, you can undo the send of this email. Just click on undo and done. Sending is cancelled right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.